Like, I'm gonna be honest. Sunscreen spray. It's around this big. Wow, it got better. Dust collects in your space. Hi, welcome to sunny SoCal. Super hot today, but I wanted to show you I got a package. This brand offered me free stuff. It's like my first time getting it, and I have to make a video about what I think of their products. So this is the brand. It's called Public Goods. Due to, I don't know, sanitary reasons, you know, this box has just been out a lot. So I'm just gonna open the box first, which is why I'm outside my house right now. I'm gonna show you how they packaged it, and we're gonna open this together. Okay, so as I'm opening this box from Public Goods, let me just give them a quick shout out before you see me testing out their products. So Public Goods' mission is to become a trusted source for better home essentials that are good for both the people and the planet. They are a premium membership brand, but if you like any of the products that I'm trying out today, then you can use my code PG-ESTIE to get both 15% off your first order and a free membership trial. The link and the code will be in the description box below. So in order to do reviews, I could choose up to 5 products of theirs that they had on their website. And so I got the peanut butter, since I really like peanut butter. I think it kind of leaked a little bit. You can see some oil here. But this is their organic creamy one. Personally, I like the crunchy, but I mean, I'll try this later.
It just tastes like peanut butter.
But the color of the peanut butter is a lot lighter. It's like a lighter shade of brown than peanut butter I usually get at Trader Joe's, I feel like. If you want something less salty, then get the peanut butter. Compared to like other peanut butters, I feel like my favorite one is the Trader Joe's one. I feel like the peanut butter from Public Goods is pretty good in terms of less sodium. Sunscreen. I will use this tomorrow, but I'll open it now. Got it. Oh. Smells like sunscreen. Like personally, I like the spray better as opposed to lotion.
Like I have hair on my arms, and so I feel like I could feel it.
On the bright side, when you do spray them, I don't think I noticed any of the sun spray marks. I saw that they had some ingredients in here that I really thought was interesting, like avocado oil and aloe leaf juice. And I love aloe, so I wanted to try this out. But my only thing with like sunscreens is that like when it smells so much like a sunscreen, I'm like, oh my god, I can't breathe. I think on a scale of like 1 to 10 in terms of like how much does it smell like sunscreen, I think it'd be like 5 or 4 in terms of how bad it smells like sunscreen. It's not that bad actually. This one's SPF 50 and it's supposed to be water resistant for about 80 minutes. Not that I actually remember to put it back on every 80 minutes or so. I feel like I don't do that, but that's good to know. I mean, I think on average, whenever I do remember, I'm like, okay, it's been like at least 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. So I'm like, okay, I'll put it on again. Or like when I start to feel like the sun is like scorching hot, I guess I would put it on again. I got this because like I'm starting to get like a farmer's tan. Do you see this? I don't know. But yeah, I'll definitely use this when I go for my morning walk. Okay, I'm gonna be going for a walk. I'm gonna try out the Public Goods sunscreen spray. And I'm just gonna put it on my arms. When I I tried this on yesterday, I forgot to mention that it's not sticky. It's very smooth. This is like actually, I think I really like it. This is my second time using it. It's not sticky at all. It's super soft. So I'm gonna put it on my neck. And I think I'm still going to continue putting my own facial sunscreen separately. So yeah, and I do have a crop top. I have a crop top on because I feel like my stomach needs some sun too. Like, oh. I put it on my legs. You see this situation? It's super lightweight and it feels like I don't have sunscreen on for the most part. It does feel like I have put on something, but it doesn't feel like sunscreen because it's not sticky. It's not like slimy. I'm sure you guys have tried sunscreen sprays on, and some of those out there, they're like super sticky. I don't know why, but this one isn't, and it has aloe in it, which is like the #1 reason why I wanted to try this. So yes, I am gonna go for my morning walk. It's kind of hard to take off. It's around this big. It feels pretty coarse, but it's supposed to be like an exfoliant cloth wash. So I'm gonna try this in the shower. I don't know how to pronounce this. Ayate? Is this like Ayate washcloth? It's exfoliating and I wanted to try that out when I shower because I feel like with summer and sweating a lot, I thought it'd be a nice way for me to treat my body and treat myself by scrubbing it down. Typically did go to a lot of Korean spas and get like that exfoliating body scrub, but now that like COVID happened, I haven't gotten a body scrub in so long, so I thought I'll just do kind of like a home DIY, and I thought why not try with this that's made out of agave fiber. It looks like this. It feels kind of coarse. I'm gonna try washing my body with this. Yeah. Yesterday I tried I'm gonna call it Ayate, but I tried the Ayate body scrub.
Yo!
I tried testing it out on both arms. The scrub itself initially did feel kind of coarse, but I put on some body wash and then, washed it all over my body. It didn't hurt, even though it was coarse in that sense. I think that might be because of the agave material. Seriously, my skin felt so soft after that body scrub. Like last night, I was like, wow, like my skin's really soft. Like, I'm gonna be honest. I have this thing that's like genetic where like, it's called chicken skin. In Korean, it's called like 닭살. And so like I've always grown up with like not the perfect like Korean smooth skin on my arms. And so that's why like I've always like tried to pay attention to exfoliating regularly, or like going to the Korean spa, getting a body scrub and stuff. But that exfoliant experience yesterday, like, oh my gosh, it like made my arm feel so smooth. I even tried to tackle down like this area, because you know how this area can get a little like white sometimes. Literally, it's not white at all. I scrubbed this side a lot. This is like my skin. It's not the best, but trust me, it got better over the years. So yeah, I can't wait to use it more times, because that was only after once, and last night I was like, whoa, like I'm so soft. It's only like how much was it, like $6? But yeah, that was pretty surprising. Maybe because I had such a I didn't have any expectations for it, but for such a underwhelming like cloth, I was like, whoa, okay, it works really well. So I really like that one. Actually, just wanted to update because I used it and I want to try it out again. Another one is this surface cleaner. Every other Saturday, I clean the house with just like a regular glass cleaner or like other like home appliances that I use. So I was like really intrigued about this surface cleaner because I feel like I got this as versus to their other cleaners because I felt like I could use this in a more like versatile way. I could use this for when I clean the bathroom's towel surface or around the toilet, and I could also use this for my desk as well, is what I thought when I asked for this. So I could use it for my room, tables, surface, like whatever surface that I could think of. I could probably try to use this and see how good like how well it cleans. Since today is Saturday and today is kind of like a cleaning day for me, I clean the house typically every other Saturday. If you clean regularly, you'll realize how much or how often dust collects in your space. And because I'm like, oh my god, it's only been 2 weeks but it's dusty, like what the heck. I'm in my bathroom right now. I'm gonna try out this surface cleaner. So I have like a dirty towel. Since I need to wash this towel anyways, I just kind of use this to help wipe. And then I have, like literally, I didn't clean the bathroom yet. This is literally how my bathroom usually looks like. Okay, so literally, why is there a cup here? What the heck? I don't know. Obviously no, I'm not the only one living here. So it's been only like 2 weeks. Look at this. Pretty dirty, right? Flip. Okay. There's no powerful smell. It's really subtle. Ooh, it has like a really soft finish. And look at that. Wow. Okay, when I clean, I move all of these. So that was just like a first sneak peek, but technically I do take all of these out of the bathroom. Okay, let's try it on some other surfaces. Whoa, see, dusty. This is the candle and it's their lavender vanilla. Oh. It looks like it's been collecting dust because like I just touched it, and do you see my finger marks? Ooh. Chose kind of like a safe scent, which is lavender and vanilla. It smells really calming. Well, lavender has a soothing, calming effect, because I know that. Okay, I'm gonna try this later today after I clean.
Girl, you make me go so loco, loco, make me go crazy. We would make a beautiful baby. Knock on wood, is you trying to date me? Is it yes, is it no, is it maybe?